Alex. Alex.
Alex.
Alex. Papi, look here. Smile.
Hey.
You like your breakfast?
Ooh.
Alex. Papi. The minute Mama turn on the camera, you're not looking here. Alex.
Hey. Alex. Look at Mama and Daddy.
What are you doing?
Hey.
What are you doing? Tell us what you're doing.
What? You try?
Alex. So eating breakfast?
Wow.
Chew it, feels child. With all your teasies there in place, hopefully. You wanna eat some more eggs?
What suitcase you want?
Eggs, Alex? I need 3, baby. Agua, more agua.
Baby, I would not massage her neck.
Okay.
What?
You want more bacon? Say bacon. Bacon, okay.
Good. You get that? It's that bacon.
Alex likes bacon.
Ooh.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I love you, Mommy. Say I love you, Mommy.
Say love you, I love you too.
Look at his shoulders and arms. Oh my God.
Hey, look at those pimples.
See, you see something totally different than I see us. I'm looking at muscularity. You're looking at how cutesy patootsy.
Because he is.
He is, I know.
What the heck?
What was that? Look at those guns.
Teeny tiny little baby hands guns. What are you talking about?
Look at his shoulder. Oh, look at his tricep. You see his tricep on the right side?
Okay, papi.
What? Look how you holding that bacon. No bacon?
No bacon? Really?
No, what?
Well, take it.
Okay, let me hold it.
You want water? Okay. No water?
No water?
Okay, if you want water? He's silly. Okay.
Oh, look.